The Weir Flow Sharp-Broad Interactive Calculator solves flow rate, head height, and weir dimensions for both sharp-crested and broad-crested weirs. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from 6 options: Sharp-Crested Calculate Flow Rate, Calculate Head, or Calculate Weir Width, and Broad-Crested Calculate Flow Rate, Calculate Head, or Calculate Crest Length. For this demonstration, I'm using Sharp-Crested Calculate Flow Rate. Next, enter your head height h in meters, your weir width or length L in meters, and if calculating head or width, your flow rate Q in cubic meters per second. The discharge coefficient CD defaults to 0.62 for sharp-crested and 1.70 for broad-crested weirs. Gravitational acceleration G defaults to 9.81 meters per second squared. Here's a worked example, with head height of 0.45 meters and weir width of 1.2 meters. The calculator determines our primary result, 0.6632 cubic meters per second. The flow velocity is 1.228 meters per second. The Froude number of 0.585 indicates our flow regime is subcritical, meaning the flow is controlled and stable. These results help engineers verify weir performance and ensure proper hydraulic design. Find the link in the description below.